Hello everyone, and welcome to our special LUMIX update. I'm Yuta Sugawara from LUMIX Marketing. In the last several months, we have introduced 3 new cameras that have redefined our S1 series. The high-resolution S1R Mark II for stunning detail, the high-speed and high dynamic range S1 Mark II for dynamic action, and the versatile S1 Mark II-E for a perfect blend of performance and ergonomic design. Whether you are a proud owner of these cameras or are considering joining the community, we have exciting news that will elevate your creative experience. We are about to unveil a firmware update designed to inspire your work as a creator. Also, this update will further enhance the cameras as true hybrid cameras. Before we dive into the details, I want to remind you that this firmware will be available for download on June 24th at 1 a.m. UTC, and the firmware itself will be free of charge. Let's start with the video capabilities. For the first time in a LUMIX full-frame camera, we are thrilled to introduce Arri Log C3. This feature, officially certified through our partnership with Arri, allows you to achieve stunning cinematic quality to your projects. To unlock the Arri Log C3 feature, you will need to purchase the DMW SFU3A to receive the upgrade key. As mentioned in the beginning, we offer 3 sensor options to enable this feature. The high-resolution 8K sensor of the S1R Mark II, the high-speed S1 Mark II with a dynamic range of up to 15 stops, and the conventional 24-megapixel sensor of the S1 Mark II-E. We look forward to seeing how this feature will be utilized in these diverse cameras. For those new to the Arri workflow, our real-time LUT feature streamlines the process, helping you achieve impressive Hollywood-like footage straight out of the camera. For experienced Arri users, LUMIX cameras can serve as excellent B or C cameras, or even crash cameras, alongside your main Arri setup. Next, let's discuss multiple frame markers. This feature is designed for content creators who want to connect with audiences across different platforms. If you like OpenGate, you will likely find multiple frame markers equally useful. You can visualize up to 3 different aspect ratios on your camera screen, allowing you to see how your content will appear, whether it's for YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform. This is especially handy when you want to check how your content looks in real time, whether for yourself or when discussing with clients on the spot. It enables you to craft content that truly engages for your viewers. You will also have the option to change the colors of individual frames to fit your needs. And speaking of colors, the new firmware will allow you to change the autofocus frame color as well. While the default is white, you can choose from a selection of 10 colors for better visibility based on your subject or background. For our photographers, we have updates that will improve your workflow as well. While the stable wired connections are generally preferred, we always strive to provide you with the option for wireless connectivity. That is why we are introducing the options of wireless tethering with Capture One. Imagine connecting without the hassle of cables, giving you the freedom to explore and create in new ways. And don't forget, we are offering a 3-month free trial for all LUMIX users who are new to Capture One. We urge you to experience this flexibility and tethering, as well as the high-quality raw editing. Access the link or the QR code below to begin your free trial today. Additionally, we are excited to bring an improved focus stacking feature to our cameras. This tool is perfect for capturing product images and macro photography. It allows you to easily create stunning images that capture the full depth of field of your subject while preserving that beautiful bokeh in the background. By default, once activated, the camera will automatically take 10 photos, adjust the focus, and merge them in camera. For the best workflow experience, we always aim to keep our features processed in camera as much as possible, like our other features such as high-resolution mode photos, time-lapse videos, and live view composite. For our LUMIX S1R Mark II users, we have something special, the long-awaited 8.1K and 7.2K OpenGate recording mode. By leveraging the powerful 8K sensor, this feature opens exciting new possibilities for your projects. Imagine the opportunities as you push your creative boundaries and explore new dimensions of your craft. As for the S1R Mark II, we have a host of updates that you can see on the screen. Some of the standout features include heat recording, urban sports recognition mode, UVC live streaming, and Bluetooth timecode capability via Atmos UltraSync Blue. Remember, this firmware update is about empowering you as a creator. At LUMIX, we are dedicated to supporting artists of all levels, and we continuously listen to your feedback to understand how we can improve your experience. Your creativity matters, and we want to ensure you have the tools to bring your ideas to life. Thank you for joining us today. Together, let's keep creating, innovating, and sharing our work with the world.